Welcome to the 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4 Limited. The Limited AT4 is powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine and mated up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the AT4, power windows, locks, and mirrors. Driver dial, push-button 4x4 and automatic headlights. You have your leather heated steering wheel, cruise control, and audio controls. 8,220 kilometers on the odometer. Column shifter, push-button ignition, nice large 8-inch touchscreen, dual zone climate control, integrated chiller braking system, as well as USB ports and outlets. All black interior and our black leather seating, Kalahari inserts, and our AT4 in the headrest. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the GMC Sierra, we do have the 20-inch wheel and tire package with the Goodyear Wrangler Territory and MT tire. We have the color matched door handles with keyless entry, stationary running boards, AT4 badging, 6.2-liter V8 pack. Now the AT4 does come with the factory 2-inch lift as well from the factory. You have that LED daytime running lamps, turn signals, fog lights. We have the red recovery hooks and the AT4 color matched grille. Making our way back down the side, you have AVS window visors. Truck's equipped with remote start. At the back, color matched rear bumper, trailer tow pack, LED brake lights, multi-pro tailgate, and dual exhaust system. Jumping into the interior here, second row, the black leather with the Kalahari inserts, as well as you have a solid rear window with defrost, extra headroom over top and LED lighting, dual USB ports, and rubberized floor linings with carpeted inserts in the back of the crew cab AT4. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk around video on the 2022 GMC Sierra AT4 Limited. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.